Hi everyone, it's Liza. Welcome to my channel, Show Me Beautiful. Today we're going to talk about fall clean out of our makeup. And I know it's almost winter, so I knew I had to get this show in. So my sister called and said, help, come over, help me organize my makeup. And when I saw it, it was a disaster. Liza to the rescue. So I also wanted to tell her, and another friend of mine called and asked me, does makeup have an expiration date? Well, it sure does. They just don't tell you. And some of it is really obvious. So it's going to take 4 different steps, 4 easy steps. So the first one is to get a drawer organizer for your makeup drawer. Or you can get something you set on the top of your counter, or you can even use Ziploc bags and write on the front. Second, we're going to get a trash bag, and it depends how much you're going to be throwing out. The third one we're going to do is we're going to group the items. And the fourth, we're going to make a list of what is missing. And this is really the thing I think that people forget, because you might have 12 lipsticks and only 1 eyeliner. So here we go. And then I'm going to tell you how long the makeup actually lasts. So let's get started. We're going to need our drawer organizer. So you're going to get a tape measure. Be sure to do this because you can't guesstimate on this, and measure the height and the width for your makeup drawer. Or you can get something like this where you put on top of your vanity or your counter where it's easily accessible. And I prefer this kind of way. Or the third way is you can get a Ziploc bag and group your items and then write on the front what they are. Secondly, we're going to get a trash bag. Depending on how much trash you have, my sister needed a yard bag size to group like items. So this obviously makes great sense. You're going to take your organizer. You're going to put your eye products like this in one section. You're going to put your makeup brushes in another section. And the second part of grouping them is looking to see how old they are. This is where the expiration comes in. And many of you might go, hey, I don't know how old these are. Well, let me tell you how we're going to figure it out together. You're going to take your product one at a time. This might take some time, you all. And you're going to look at it. And if there's none left, throw it away. If it's all dry and gross and you can't even read the writing, throw it away. So I guess you understand it. And then as we're going through this process of one at a time, we're going to get our pad and paper, and we're going to write down which products we're missing from our makeup wardrobe and which ones we need duplicates of. Like my sister found, she had like 30 kinds of lipstick, but 2 eyeliners or 1 foundation. Well, that's not the best way to go about it. So I know every girl has their favorite product, and that's cool. But we want to have it organized. And then we also, the other part of our list is products we're going to need duplicates of. This is the really thing that I think people forget. So if you have your absolute favorite mascara, you only have 1 of them, you might need another one for your travel bag, or you might need one for your purse. So let's make a list, and it could be long, but we're going to really then know what we need. And when we go to our Sephora or Ulta or a drugstore, you can knock it out very fast. Here are some exact guidelines for how long makeup lasts. Eyeliner can last 6 months to a year. Mascara, 3 to 6 months. And again, remember those eye products, depending on if you've been sick or not. Eyeshadows and anything with powder can last 1 to 2 years if it's been sealed properly. And we found out a lot of it hadn't been, and you want to pitch that. Foundation can last 6 to 2 years, or liquid products. And lipstick can last up to 2 years. So, and again, if you've been sick, you need to toss out some lipsticks, gals. all the products you need in one place. Doesn't that sound fun? I promise, after we were finished, and it did take a while, it was a great feeling. Ladies, we're busy. We do not have time to dig through drawers and then go through old, dried out, yucky makeup. We want our fresh makeup cleanly organized with labels on our bags. I hope you found this fall cleanup tutorial helpful. If you like my video, please follow me on my channel, Show Me Beautiful.